Hey y'all, it's Renee from Zone 9B Panhandle, Florida region. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reusing some of the pots that I used when I planted my lantana in those butterfly bushes. I'm going to keep those out of the landfill, and I am going to be digging up some wandflower that had seeded itself from last year that I dug up and removed from a certain area. But now I have some baby seedlings there, and I don't want to get rid of them. I like wandflowers. It's just I didn't like it in the area that I had them in, and I tried transplanting them, and I'm not sure they're going to come back. So I'll have to check that out too. So let's see. So this is my front sidewalk, and I have a rather large wandflower here. They do better when I can transplant them when they're this young or even younger. And I have some more suspects along the line here that I'm feeling pretty confident are also wandflower. And if they're not, that's okay. We'll figure out something. If they need to be put in the compost bin, that's what we'll do, but we're gonna give this a shot. Yeah, this is the area where I thought I had transplanted one of them, and I don't see any sign. I just don't think it took. Oh, there's some daylily that just refused to go away. They're pretty amazing though. I'm gonna dig those up and put them in a pot until I know for sure where I'm gonna be putting them. I know that may cause a little extra stress on the plant, but I think in the long run it'll be for the best. I don't want to just dig something up and put it. I want to make sure it's got a good start. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now.
Set this in here?
Oh, sorry, I thought you were my husband. No, you're fine. Yeah, just leave it there. That's fine.
That's so funny.
Hey, I recorded that too. I might put it in my YouTube video. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye. So I tucked them over there in kind of a shady spot, just to kind of help them so they're not getting full sun and stressed out. Because I tell you what, this Florida sun, even in mid-March, can be quite strong. And I'll probably keep them there for a few days to a week, and then we'll pop them back out into full sun again. And I think I'm gonna do one more thing today. I have got to prune some of my panicle hydrangeas, and then I'm gonna look really closely at my macros and see if they need to be pruned. All right, so for my panicle hydrangeas, I want strong stems, but I also want to look for where the leaf nodes are going to be. And they should be sprouting out really close now. I do see a couple that are starting to. So this is probably the perfect time to do it. Capitalize on that new growth, and also to, sorry, distracted by a beautiful cherry tree behind me. My okami is just amazing. Anyway, capitalize on that new growth and hopefully get some new blooms this year. Because last year I pruned it, I didn't get any blooms last year off these panicles. They might not be getting full sun, but they're getting a lot of sun though, especially in the afternoon here. So let's go ahead and do it. I got my clippers, I got my paper towels, I got my Lysol, because I like to Lysol my blades between my plants just in case there's disease. I don't want to spread it around. All right, I always say what's good for the CDC is good for me. All right, so look.
Oh, there's a spider
In there. Oh my gosh, sorry. I had an alien moment. But there is a little critter living in that branch right there, which is obviously rotted. So I don't want to hurt you, little bud, but we're going to go down to a pair of buds here, and we're going to let you be free, but just not anywhere near me. Oh my gosh. What are those hobo spiders? How do they live? Oh, okay, so let's see. Oh, I see some green growth down here. I think I'm going to go right here. Oh no, look, that stem is hollow in there. I don't know if you can see that, but we don't like that. So we're going to go down the next one. Oh, it's hollow too. Yeah, I don't know, man. We're going to take that one all the way down. It's in the middle anyway, so I am okay with that. While that might not be the prettiest hydrangea in the world, it's at least cut back to the healthy parts. All right, we got a few more to go. So at this point here, this would be a great spot to bury it with some soil and see if I can get a propagation off of it. It's already touching the soil down here, so I think I'm going to leave a lot of this and put some soil later on it. Now for my macro, I'm going to be doing some scratch tests like I was doing with my panicles too, to determine what wood was dead and what was alive. So let me go ahead and get to doing those. We got to take our moments when we can find them Look at this beautiful akane. Shishi, are you making a hole for me to plant something? I think you are. But not as pretty as Shishi, but still awfully pretty. All right, one last chore for today to do is Operation Liberate Elegans, my Japanese maple. It has been infiltrated with bamboo. So we're gonna go ahead and take down those stalks so we can really let her show her stuff. There. I think you can see her a lot better now. Or maybe it's that one. I got two right here, so yeah. Hey, thanks for coming along on that journey with me. And I hope you're able to get out in your world and make something beautiful. And until the next one, bye y'all.